Welcome to our cuisine. Today I'm going to be making a mango sauce today. Mango sauce in Mandingo we call it mankorusade. Okay, so this is the mango. I buy some fresh mango from the supermarket. You can go to any kind of supermarket and buy some fresh mango. And some fresh mango. So those are my mango. And what do you need to cook the mango sauce? You need some dry stuff. This is a dry you need some dry shrimps. So those are shrimps, like a little bit, like a 1 cup of this, because the mango I'm cooking, I got a lot of mango. And you need some dry fish. This dry fish we call this bonga. You can go to any kind of African supermarket, you can find this. You ask for bonga, that will show you a dry fish, just a smoked dry fish, that will show you. Okay, and you need onions, like 1 onions, because my mangoes a lot. I need 1 big onions, and I need like a 3 hot pepper and some Maggi, like 6 Maggi, and those are Maggi. Okay, and you need a red oil too. Okay, like 1 cup of red oil. Okay, then let's start it. And you need to remove the skin of the mango first, and you're gonna peel it and after wash it, and we're gonna start cooking. Okay, so let's start cooking. Come cook with me. I already finished peeling the mango and wash the mango, so I'm gonna add some water to it, just like that. And I'm gonna turn the stove on to let it boil, and I'm gonna blend the fish and the shrimps and pepper. Okay, so I'm gonna start blending those to add it. But you know what, I got Kate, and I might not blend the pepper. I'm gonna just throw the pepper on top of it. But if you want to, you can blend the pepper with those shrimps, dry shrimps, and onions and the fish. Okay, so I'm gonna go over this to let it boil. Okay, now the mango is boiling already. So those the fish, the dry fish I show you guys, I blend them. I blend the dry fish and the shrimps together, and the onions. So I'm gonna add those to it. Okay, fish right now, the smoke, the fish and the shrimps, I just added to it now. Okay, I just add smoked fish to it, and I'm gonna add the onions too. So that's the onions. I'm gonna mix it. If I need more water, I'm gonna add some more water, because I did not put too much water to it, because I want more sauce to it, more than the water. If I really need the water, I'm gonna add some more water. Okay, if I'm gonna add my Maggi, the 4 Maggi, the 6 Maggi, but I'm gonna add 4 for now, because you don't want to put too much and it will be too salty. Okay, so I'm gonna add the Maggi. Okay, now so this is the I just add the Maggi to it, so I'm gonna mix it. I think it's a little bit in the dry side, so I'm gonna add some more water. So I'm gonna add some more water to it. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it. The reason why I'm adding water a little bit, because I don't want my mango to be too like they don't have that much kind of good taste to it. I want it to taste very good. Like, you know, some mango, when it tastes, they don't have that kind of smoked fish taste to it that much, nothing. And I hate that. I want mine to taste very good, to have that kind of smoked flavor to it. That's why I'm adding my water little by little. It's better like that before adding too much water. You cannot control the water. And I hate that. This is my gallon of the red oil. I always like to buy like a big gallon of red oil, is better. So let me close it down, and after when it's ready, I'm gonna put the red oil. The red oil is the last stop. After, when you see the food is ready, everything tastes good and right, and you're gonna add the red oil. Okay. Okay, there. So this is how it look like right now. I already add the pepper, everything to it. Sorry, I almost dropped the lid. So I'm mixing it now. I want to make sure everything is nice and cooked. I don't like too much water on my mango sauce, and I don't. Like, some people would add so much water to it because I want like the sauce to be much thicker. That's what I like. So, like, some people like to put too much water, they don't put too much sauce on it. But I like mine to be very sauce. Like, when you eat it, you taste it like, yeah, it tastes good. But not just the water. No, I hate that. So this is how I cook it. When you eat it like this, boy, it's better than just eating so much water. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure the mango is nice and cooked, and after I'm gonna add the red oil. This is palm oil. Palm oil, you can go to any kind of supermarket and buy like a palm oil. Okay, so I'm gonna put my palm oil first down. Make sure the mango is cooked, because the mango is not cooked enough. By mistake, I just add some palm oil. Okay, my mango is not well cooked yet. I'm gonna wait till my mango is nice and done and cooked, and I'm gonna add my palm oil. My palm oil is the last step. Okay. Okay, now, so because you need to make sure the mango is cooked. Okay, if the mango is not well cooked, it's not good. So that's the reason why I'm just keeping mixing it, and you need to mix it too. If you don't mix it, it will burn in the bottle. Okay, you see I like my saucy like that, with a lot of sauce. I don't like too much water on it. So it's time to add the red oil to it. So that's it. Like now, you see how my taste look like? That's how they say this is mango sadi. Mango sauce. It's supposed to be mango sauce, not soupy. Like, some people, the way they cook it is too soupy, man. I'm not feeling it. This is how it's supposed to look like. A mango sauce. Not too soupy. Nope. Like, I was adding water little by little, not too much water, because I want my mango to cook. Or the best thing to do it, to what I can suggest to, boil your mango separate. After you boil the mango is well done, and after you're gonna remove all the water to it, the excess water to it, you're gonna put the sauce on top of it. You can do that too, because this is a lot of work. So the easy shortcut, that's the best shortcut. You make sure you boil the mangoes first, and after you remove all this excess water to it, you're gonna add the sauce to it. You're gonna add those sauce to it, and after, if you need water, you just can add a little bit of water. But you see how nice and thick mine look like? This is how you call mango sauce. And it tastes very good too. All right, now, so you're gonna cover it like for, I'm gonna add like one more Maggi, okay? Because today again I'm gonna add one more Maggi, because I would like to season my food very well. Food is about what? When you season the food very well, your food gonna taste good. But if you don't season your food very well, even if you put the right stuff to it, somebody eat it will not taste good. Like if I season my food very well, you don't season your food very well, you cooking the same way I cooking right now, trust me, your food will not taste good. And you're gonna be asking yourself like, what happened? Why our food is tasting better than mine? Because because I season my food very well. So that's the difference about cooking, okay? Right now, so this is my mango sauce, and I'm gonna cover it for 10 minutes. That's it, because I want you all to cook just a little bit. So after, that's it, and I'm gonna turn up the heat. So thank you for watching our cuisine, and love you so much. And that's it. So please don't forget to subscribe. The subscribe button in the bottom, just press the subscribe button. Anytime I post a video, you're gonna see, okay? Love you guys so much, and see you guys next time. Bye.